Dear devotees, I am Hitesh Parekh and you are watching Swamini Helpline Food, Health, Spiritual Study. And I heartily welcome you all in my channel. If you like this video, then don't forget to like and share. And if you want to see our new videos, then subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for getting notification. Today we are going to start a meditation series whereby you can solve your all problem on your own. Then you will have the appearance of an inner power. And there is no such thing in the world that you want to come and not get. And there is no knowledge that you want to know and you can't know. And in such a wonderful practice today you are going to expand. Today I will tell you this practice, then you will feel why I know this everything is time and this practice, but we don't know. So let us tell you a method of Tratak today that you can get accomplishment. You have to focus your attention on the candle or any divine idol of God or the magical pose of Tratak. At any one point of whatever idol, you have to fix your eyes. You don't have to blink your eyelids and keep the eyes constant. Initially your eyelids will blink, but you don't have to be afraid and keep the Tratak. In the beginning your eyes will blink in a short time, but you have to increase time slowly. You will also get water from your eyes while doing this meditation, but you don't have to be afraid because when doing this meditation, water comes from your eyes. Then it purifies your eyes. As time goes by, your eyes will stop watering and your eyes will also stop blinking. First your eye will blink for a short time, means your eyes for 5 minutes. Then you have to increase the time your eyes blink while doing meditation. For 10 minutes and then half an hour. So you don't have to let your eyes blink for 3 hours. If you prove these 3 hours Tratak, then you will get every accomplishment of the world. This is absolutely true, and I have seen many such examples in my life. And it is not like that you have proved a 3 hours Tratak, only then you will get succeed. But the more time you have proved to be a Tratak, the more achievement you will start getting. Now as soon as you move forward in the Tratak, your subconscious mind will start to become active and it will start working more. And any negative energy in your subconscious mind while doing this practice will be removed, and once the negative energy is removed, a new layer of knowledge will open in you and you started seeing this world from a different point of view. Then you can also interact with ghosts, ancestors, God, etc. We are going to tell you how much time you have achieved and that accomplishment you will get. If you have proved 15-minute Tratak, then you can know everyone's mind. This accomplishment can be very useful in life. Then you start cultivation. If you have proved 30-minute Tratak, then you will already get a glimpse of what is going to happen next, so you can handle any ominous event that goes beyond this accomplishment. If you have proved a 1 hour Tratak, then a divine attraction arises in you, and then seeing you, your enemies are also attracted, and that too can't make you bad, and this generates a divine healing power in you also. And if you have proved a 1 and 15 minutes our Statak. Then the power of speech comes in you. With this accomplishment, you can change the lives of so many people and bring them on a good path. Then there will be so much strength in your preaching that you can make someone out of the world and become a monk. If you have proved 2 hours Statak, then you can also know the past life and everyone's past. You can help in pursuing the life you have and the past life of others. If you have proved 3 hours Statak, then you can know everyone's past and future and present reality. And then you become omniscient, and then from here the journey towards your Samadhi begins. If you like this video, then a like is definitely made and share it as much as possible, and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, because whenever we upload the video, its notification will be available to you immediately and no video is missed by you. I thank all of you for watching this video.